Calibrating your PlayStation 5 to reduce lag spikes can enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your console's performance. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, as it typically provides a more reliable signal than Wi-Fi. Step 2. Update system software. Navigate to the settings menu on your PS5 and check for any available system updates. Keeping your console's software up to date can resolve performance issues and improve overall stability. Step 3. Adjust video output settings. Go to the display settings and adjust the video output settings. Lowering the resolution or turning off features like HDR can help reduce lag during gameplay. Step 4. Manage background applications. Close any background applications or downloads that may be using bandwidth or system resources. This can free up processing power and improve game performance. Step 5. Optimize game settings. Access the settings menu within your games and adjust the performance options. Lowering graphics settings or enabling performance mode can help minimize lag spikes during gameplay. By following these steps, you can effectively calibrate your PlayStation 5 to reduce lag spikes and enhance your gaming experience. Enjoy your improved gameplay.